When people talk about storage, the conversation almost always revolves around capacity and speed. Do you have a terabyte or two? Is it SATA or NVMe? But underneath those numbers is a hidden layer that decides how fast your system really feels. Storage controllers and NVMe lanes. And let's start with storage controllers. A controller is essentially the brain of your storage drive. In an SSD, the controller manages how data is read, written, and stored across the NAND chips. Think of it like a traffic cop, directing streams of data where they need to go. A weak or outdated controller can bottleneck your drive, no matter how fast the memory chips themselves are. On the other hand, a powerful controller with advanced features like wear leveling, garbage collection, and error correction can keep your drive running smoothly for years while maintaining performance. Now, let's talk about NVMe lanes. NVMe, which stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express, is a protocol designed to take full advantage of the speed potential of SSDs. Instead of relying on the older SATA interface, NVMe communicates directly with the CPU through PCIe lanes. And here's where things get interesting. The number of lanes available determines the maximum speed your drive can achieve. For example, a PCIe Gen 3 NVMe drive using 4 lanes can hit speeds around 3,500 megabytes per second. Switch to PCIe Gen 4 with the same 4 lanes, and you can see speeds double to around 7,000 megabytes per second. With PCIe Gen 5, those numbers climb even higher. But here's the hidden role: your motherboard and CPU decide how many lanes you actually get. If too many devices are competing for lanes, like GPUs, SSDs, and ADN cards, your storage performance can be limited. This is why some NVMe drives don't reach their advertised speeds in real-world setups. It's not the drive itself, but the fact that your system may only allocate to lanes instead of 4. Or downgrade to a lower PCIe generation if resources are stretched thin. And here's something most people overlook: latency. While raw bandwidth is important, NVMe was designed to reduce latency dramatically compared to SATA. This means faster response times when opening programs, loading levels in games, or accessing large project files. Even if 2 drives have similar top speeds, the one with better latency handling often feels faster in daily use. So what does this mean for you as a PC builder or upgrader? It means that buying the fastest SSD isn't enough. You need to think about your system as a whole. Is your motherboard equipped to handle PCIe Gen 4 or Gen 5? Do you have enough lanes available to give your NVMe drive the bandwidth it deserves? And does the SSD have a quality controller to keep speeds consistent over time? At the end of the day, storage controllers and NVMe lanes are the hidden lifelines of your PC storage system. They don't just decide how much data you can hold, but how quickly and reliably you can actually use it. Ignore them, and you might find your shiny new drive underperforming. Understand them, and you'll unlock the true speed your PC is capable of. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more episodes in our Hidden Role of PC Parts miniseries. And I want to hear from you. Are you running NVMe drives yet? Or are you still on SATA? Let me know in the comments below. Cheers.